You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from French that many get wrong, including from history. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning famous name for being the name of a French naval officer and explorer. In French it is said as La Pérouse, La Pérouse, La Pérouse. So in English, La Pérouse, La Pérouse, from French, La Pérouse. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names, including from French, that many get wrong. So yeah, I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for your support. Like this video to support if you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.